Hello guys, hello my dear friends. Today I want to show you how work my app Aviator Predictor from the Shark. You can see actual date and time 20 July 2024, it's today. You can see my official links Shark 1x Games and Shark 1x Bet. If you want this hack, write to my channel and I help you with it. Shark 1x Games and Shark 1x Bet. Okay, now we go to the Google and go to the official website 1xbet.com. And look, it's official website. You can see all work, many games, and okay, actual date and time for confirmation. And go to the crash now. I show you how it works. Crash. And look, you can see my app, Aviator Predictor from the Shark. Version 2.1, its last version. Go to the 1xbet and look how it works. Wait, it's loading now. Okay, it's all coefficient 1.87. Wait, it's changed. Yeah, next coefficient 207. Okay, look how it works. Yeah, guys, you see, it's worked perfect. And I want to place a bet now. Next coefficient 4.60. Look how it works. And I think take a win. Great guys, it's amazing. It's really amazing. Next coefficient 4.59 and I place a bet $200 now. Look. And take a win. Great! $800 for 1 minute. Easy and fast. Place a bet. Next coefficient 1.13. Small coefficient. I show you. For example, take a win. Yeah, you see, I win like always. It's great, guys. So now I want to show you my bets history and go to withdraw. Found and withdraw it to my Visa card. You can see my balance now, $1,178. Refresh. You can see it's my balance, and I want withdraw $1,100. Okay, look, I show you actual date and time again for confirmation. It's today. All action happening now. Okay, wait, confirm. Okay, you can see request created successfully. Great. Now we need wait. Status under review. It's we need wait for change it. You can see many methods for withdraw or work, guys. Actual date and time again. And yeah, you see status change approved. Okay guys, it's amazing. It's real working hack. So see you later, guys. Bye bye.